Hi, everyone, and welcome to this ultimate guide on succulent and cactus care, specially made for plant lovers across the USA. I'm Ed, a faceless YouTuber. My journey with succulents and cacti started about 10 years ago with my wife. At first, I wasn't interested in these plants at all. I thought, why bother? They're thorny and some of them are kind of pricey. But one day, I noticed our plants looking dry and shriveled. I realized they hadn't been watered for weeks. I couldn't blame my wife. She was busy taking care of our child. So I watered them. That small act turned into a passion, and today I'm excited to share what I've learned. In this episode, I'll share beginner hips, regional advice for USA growers, common problems and how to fix them, personal stories, and even some fun plant trivia to keep things light. Let's get started. Succulents are plants that store water in their leaves, stems, or roots. Cacti are a type of succulent, but not all succulents are cacti. The difference is that cacti have small structures called areoles that produce spines or flowers. Both are perfect for dry conditions, making them great for plant lovers across the USA. Succulents are like that friend who never replies to your texts. They actually thrive on being left alone. Let's talk soil. If you're growing succulents or cacti in the USA, skip standard potting soil. It holds too much moisture and causes root rot. Use a mix of cactus soil, perlite, and coarse sand. This mix drains fast and works whether you're in dry Arizona or humid Florida. Here's a quick personal story. When I first repotted my moon cactus, I thought regular potting soil was fine. It looked okay at first. A month later, the plant turned mushy. That was my lesson. The right soil matters. Now let's move to watering. Water deeply until water drains from the pot. Let the soil dry fully before watering again. In summer, that might be every 1 to 2 weeks. In winter, once a month may be enough. Overwatering a succulent is like texting someone 10 times when they're asleep. It won't end well. Let's answer a subscriber-style question. What's the best way to water succulents indoors in the USA? Answer: use the soak and dry method. Give them a good drink, let it drain, and don't water again until the soil is bone dry. Sunlight time. Succulents and cacti love bright light. Outdoors, aim for 4 to 6 hours of direct sun. Indoors, a south or west facing window works best. Your cactus wants sunshine, not a sunburn. Think of it like a tourist in Miami. Let's break things up with a fun fact. Did you know the saguaro cactus can live over 150 years? That's longer than most of us. Fertilizer time. Cactus or succulent fertilizer. At quarter strength, once a month during spring and summer is plenty. No need to fertilize in winter. Succulents are low maintenance, kind of like that friend who's happy with pizza and a movie. Let's do another Q&A. How do I stop my succulents from stretching indoors? Answer: give them more light. Rotate the pot so all sides get sun. If they've already stretched, try taking cuttings and replanting. Now, pests. Common pests include mealybugs, spider mites, and fungus gnats. Mealybugs look like little bits of cotton. Dab them with isopropyl alcohol. Spider mites can be rinsed off and treated with insecticidal soap. Fungus gnats, let the soil dry out. Mealybugs are like party crashers. A little alcohol and they're gone. Propagation. Free plants, anyone? You can grow new succulents from leaf cuttings, stem cuttings, or pups. Let the pieces callus over, then plant in dry soil. Let's share another personal story. I once left leaf cuttings on the kitchen counter and forgot them for 2 weeks. When I found them, they had roots. These plants really do want to survive. Regional tips for USA growers. In Arizona or Texas, give afternoon shade during extreme heat. In humid places like Florida, watch for rot and choose faster draining soil. In colder states, bring plants indoors before frost and water very sparingly. Another fun fact: some cacti can survive frost, like certain Opuntia varieties. Not all cacti are strictly desert plants. Rescuing sick succulents. If a plant has rot, cut away damaged parts. Let the healthy parts dry out and replant in fresh, dry soil. Most importantly, adjust your watering and light to prevent future problems. Even stretched out or floppy succulents can bounce back. They're tougher than they look. Quick summary of my top 5 tips for USA succulent lovers. Number 1, use fast draining soil. Number 2, water deeply but infrequently. Number 3, give as much light as possible, especially indoors. Number 4, always use pots with drainage holes. Number 5, don't be afraid to prune or propagate. Thanks for listening to my guide on succulent and cactus care for USA plant lovers. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button and share your questions in the comments. If your succulent looks sad, maybe it just needs some sun, or maybe your cat knocked it over.